Have you seen the movie The Odyssey? It's based on a story that's almost 3,000 years old. What's amazing is that people are still talking about it today. Because it's not really about monsters or mythical creatures. It's about something every one of us experiences, rebuilding after life's biggest challenges. Odysseus wins the war, but that's not the end. His greatest battle isn't on the battlefield. It's in the 10-year journey home, overcoming setbacks, resisting temptations, and finding his way back to the people he loves. Psychologists today often describe resilience not as avoiding hardship, but as adapting and continuing to grow despite adversity. After a life-changing experience, you're not meant to become the same person again. You're meant to become a wiser and a stronger one. So instead of asking, how do I get my old life back? Try asking, what kind of person do I want to become because of this experience? The monsters change, but the journey home, the journey of rebuilding ourselves, that is universal. Harmony to you all.